Realtors, are you tired of pouring your hard-earned money into internet leads only to be left with lackluster results? Instead, you should be focusing on one of the best free ways to generate leads, which is open houses. We understand that many realtors have attempted open houses only to face obstacles and discouragement. The reason they are not having success is because they are hosting opens the wrong way. Here are 3 tips to help you host a successful open house. Number 1, know the property. Get to the house early, do your homework, and know everything you can about the property. Research the comps, all the active properties, pending properties, and recent sales in the area. Have brochures, highlight sheets, and disclosures ready to hand out. The more you know about the home and the area, the more confident you will be when talking to potential buyers. Buyers want to work with a realtor that is informed and can add value. The last thing you want is buyers asking you a bunch of questions about a home that you do not know the answers to. Also, the more confident you are in knowing all the details of the house, the more relaxed you will be, and this will allow you to better build rapport with potential buyers. One of the goals of your open house should be to gain future clients. To do this, you need to be able to connect with people and try to build a relationship with them. Second tip, promote your open house effectively. To ensure good turnout, it's crucial to promote the open house effectively. Along with marketing the home on the MLS and popular websites like Realtor.com and Zillow, social media, there are numerous other strategies you can employ. Prior to the open house, send invitations to the neighbors early in the week, ensuring they are aware of the open house. Additionally, door knock the neighborhood 1 to 2 days before the open, letting the neighbors know about the open, inviting them to the open, and encouraging them to invite potential buyers that want to move into the area to the open. You can also use a dialer like Vulcan 7 to obtain the neighbors' phone numbers and call them to inform them of the open house. Another impactful approach is to organize an exclusive open house for the neighbors only. This can be 1 hour prior to the public open house. On the day of the event, make sure to strategically place plenty of eye-catching open house signs, at least 10 in number, along the main roads leading to the property. We see a lot of agents that go through the effort of organizing and hosting an open house only to totally miss on putting out enough signs directing people to the open house. Number 3, and lastly, the thing that we see that gets missed the most is following up. Make sure to have some sort of sign-in sheet or sign-in software so you can obtain potential buyers' info. Once you have their info, make sure you are following up with them. We suggest sending everyone that came through your open house a video that day to thank them and see if they have any questions or need anything. You will also want to send another follow-up, either an email or a phone call that week, and continue to follow up with them weekly. A lot of realtors will follow up with someone they meet at an open house once and then never follow up again. The realtors that are the most successful at open houses are the ones that have a plan for consistent follow-up and execute it. So realtors, it's time to shift your focus from costly internet leads to the untapped potential that open houses can be. Follow these 3 tips and watch your open houses become a powerful magnet for eager buyers, leading to more closed deals and greater success in your real estate career.